This interesting story is called The Runaway Pancake. One morning, Grandma was making pancakes. She poured the batter and flipped the pancake high into the air. But this pancake had other plans. As soon as it landed back in the pan, it jumped out and rolled right off the table, singing, "Catch me if you can!" Grandma chased it through the kitchen, but the pancake was too quick. It rolled out the door, past the cat, who tried to pounce, but the pancake dodged. The pancake kept rolling and laughing until it reached the river. There, a hungry frog jumped up and gulp! The pancake adventure was over. And from that day, Grandma always kept a close eye on her pancakes.